Hey everyone, so this is the Microsoft Office 365 Word trick video. So here you can see on my screen that we have the some text, yeah, document, and here the between the text extra space. So how we can remove? So for this here we need to Control plus A, Control plus H, and here caret sign and type W and replace with one space, only one space, and replace all, and that's it. Close this and this close. Here you can see the all extra space removed successfully, and how to justify this document. So Control plus J, and now your document is ready perfectly. Thank you so much.